Hello, Business 330 online. This is Professor Hassey. It's our week number 2 introduction video for our Tuesday evening class at 6 o'clock. Again, this week we're going to be talking about finishing up our discussions on chapter 1 and 2, but we're going to be talking specifically about financial statements, chapter 3, the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows. And going to be looking at a spreadsheet that's already posted to week number 2 in your class review folder of a company's real financial statements, and take a look at understanding what the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows tells us. That's very important to finance, to be able to gauge how a company is doing, so you as the finance strategist, manager, can work on what we do next with that capital position of the company. We're also going to look at a very important part of financial statements is chapter 4, measuring corporate performance. We're going to be looking at specifically page 105 of your textbook, the variety of different measures to review trends in your financial statements over periods of time, comparison to the industry or your competitors, liquidity, profitability, leverage, efficiency, all analysis to gauge the performance of a company. We're going to be looking at that in chapter 4 as well. A couple of things to note in our Blackboard. Make sure we have a assignment or a discussion post due this evening. Under student discussions, you have your student biography and stock portfolio as of Friday, October 2nd. That is due this Monday evening. Make sure you get that work in. I've graded and looked at many of yours already, but some people still have some work to post. And also, if you don't see a grade and you submitted your work, that means you have to resubmit probably your portfolio. Make sure you go to your post or your forum in the discussion folder and take a look at my comments back to you. You might have done the folder or the portfolio in a PDF instead of a spreadsheet format. You might have had the indexes, the market indexes incorrect, and I've asked you to resubmit. So if you do not see a grade, go into your student discussion folder and look for my comments about your work, and maybe you have to resubmit something about your work. So please do so that before class tomorrow evening. If you go to week 2 in our Blackboard, you'll see our class set up with the agenda and with this review, this in the class review with a spreadsheet file that we're going to review and do some analysis with tomorrow in class. Some definitions. Our finance fact this week is the Dow Jones Industrial Index, which you have in your portfolio, and the variety of different analysis and definitions and PowerPoints from chapters 3 and 4. Please have a chance to review those prior to class tomorrow evening. So in summary, we're going to be just finalizing our discussions in chapters 1 and 2 tomorrow, and then we're going to be studying and reviewing and analyzing chapters 3 and 4, learning about and refreshing ourselves with financial statement analysis. Look forward to working with you all tomorrow night. Finish up your work in the discussion forum for this week. Remember, that's a grade. It's an assessment, so please finish that up prior to class tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow evening. Remember, it's optional, but I still would look forward to seeing you. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.